Welcome to our Industry 4.0 presentation, how asset monitoring and platform as a service can improve your operation and productivity. I will show you our capabilities and how we strive to think along and deliver innovative solutions with an upper-class service. Hello, I am Yanis Kyriakides, Solution Manager in IoT and Manufacturing. The challenges of the manufacturers of today lies in how to enhance their operations and how to grow their business. First, let's zoom into the operations. Measure, predict changes, and often respond in real time. The idea is here to reduce risk across the production value chain and improve their production planning. Empower workers by giving them real-time valuable info and insights so they can react fast and to the point. Secondly, is growing your business. Understand your customers by collecting data to help them and offer them new services and insights. Within our ecosystem, we count over 2,200 experts, all together to deliver best-in-class IT and telco solutions and services, and to guide you through your complex digital transformation landscape. We deliver total solutions through extensive partnership and communities, for example, Microsoft, Cisco. But also, with acquisitions, our Proximus group is rapidly becoming a digital enabler, offering end-to-end solutions in telco information and operations technologies. Our capabilities can support you to speed up your digital transformation. It's about, first, provide the most pertinent information to all of your employees at any time, increasing their agility at work, whatever the work environment in the office or in the plant. Second, enabling faster implementation of multiple innovative use cases with the most efficient and flexible tools. Third, facilitating your move to the cloud and providing you the highest computing power on the edge. Fourth, tackling all your security challenges with the convergence of IT and OT. Connecting securely your people and things with the most reliable and viable network available. To answer the challenges of manufacturers, we have developed our value proposal in two domains. One is focusing on the operation efficiency and its continuity. The other one is on smart factory. Let's now zoom in on the enhancing of operation efficiency and continuity. In this section, we will talk more specifically about always on smart, connected and secure manufacturer. Every minute of downtime is costing you a lot of money. How can you avoid such downtime and be assured that your processes run smoothly? As a connected manufacturer, you rely on modern business processes and innovative Industry 4.0 concepts. Among important drivers, there is a high bandwidth and low latency. This will increase your level of productivity, whether you are only just embarking in your IoT journey, or maybe you are already investing in artificial intelligence like machine learning, deep learning, etc., which require large data transfer. Or you plan to run remote applications in the cloud to scale your digital capabilities across multiple manufacturing sites. Our offering consists of the following services and journey. First, professional services to determine together with the customer the most important use case and design the best technology end-to-end approach to implement. This covers site survey, design, installation and end-to-end testing. Second, devices, mobile or IoT, to be installed to capture data. Third, connectivity, covering from cellular network such as LoRa, 4G, and the IoT and 5G, but also Wi-Fi 6, whether in a private or public constellation. Number 4, another stack edge to ensure edge computing capabilities based on the data collected by the device. Number 5, an application solving customers' use cases. Number 6, a cloud as part of the intelligence, data storage and data analysis. Number 7, the IT integration in the business process of the customer in order to take immediate actions. Number 8, the security for an end-to-end secured approach of each element of the value chain. Number 9, managed services, covering the 24/7 help desk support, maintenance, change management and upgrades. Number 10, ecosystem of partners, which is key to provide the best services and solutions to the customer. The mobile private network enables high data security, low latency, reliability, bandwidth and quality of service for multiple use cases. Available this year is the network in a box. It's a fully dedicated network deployed at customer premise without any integration to the Proximus macro network. Only Proximus spectrum is used. Midterm, we will offer the local breakout where the Proximus macro is leveraged and integrated with a new local component at customer premises to break out to enterprise applications. Next, we will add our 5G network capabilities using networks slicing, where slices can be reserved for specific business usage. Let's now zoom in on the smart factory. In this section, we will explain how to make your factory more intelligent and predictive through the many possible use cases. Industry 4.0 has seen a large number of use cases appearing for the past years. That's great. Some of them are proposed as standalone solutions, others fully integrated in existing systems. One thing is sure, the earlier silos of data and features that were created in Industry 3.0 tend to merge or interact with each other more and more often today. As an example, let's assume that we can collect the working instruction sent to a machine and combine them with quality measurements of a product sent from a camera. This can improve efficiencies in many ways. For the designer, it's a source of continuous feedback to improve the quality of a product. For the production, it's a source of optimization to fine-tune the parameters with the support of AI. For the infrastructure, it can be a source of failure detection in the equipment to reduce downtime risk and schedule repair in advance. For the technician, it's a source of early diagnostic and support from remote experts when configuration and adaptations on a machine is complex. No doubt, data used in business, product, and production life cycles are crossing each other to leverage new operational efficiencies. Without strong foundations, you won't be able to realize these multiple use cases. The need of an integrated platform as a service to enable, deploy, and operate any use cases in Industry 4.0 with a scalable, modular, and cost-effective approach is at place. Industry 4.0 is bringing those use cases such as traceability, condition-based monitoring, predictive maintenance, and so forth, while making workers more empowered and digital in a safe workplace environment. Each Industry 4.0 use case requires the same foundation blocks about security, hosting, governance, monitoring, but with a different setup and different resources. The platform can be tailored according to the use case for different environments, like machines, equipment, sensors, and people. It might require specific software modules for analytics, data storage suitable for real-time or long-time processing, on the edge or in the cloud. All these shall be done in collaboration with external partners for sharing data and benefits from their expertise. We know that our customers today are facing too much complexity handling all these topics, and they usually launch separate initiatives, mainly with vendors lock-in, without a clear vision, and get mainly stuck in a few use cases that never succeed. Our approach helps our customers to focus on the business case and have the most generic and corporate approach to implement them without a vendor lock-in. Our offering consists of the following services and journey. First point. First of all, define your use cases. Design thinking workshops, site survey, installation and end-to-end testing are all the services we can provide to achieve MVP at a minimum of time. Number 2, tax. Usually manufacturers collect the tax information and make them available. Proximus can also support to connect the machines, PLCs, SCADA, robots, MES, or add sensors when it's needed. Number 3, plants. The key to success is data processing, communication, local storage of information, and security on the production environment. Point 4. The Cloud Azure Landing Zone is the foundation blocks to manage all use cases in a single platform. They include the management of subscriptions, identity and access, network configuration, security, shared services, and automated deployment. Point 5. The cloud services. We built an architecture composed of Azure software components to meet your needs in the realization of your use cases. Number 6. The IT integration can be done with your business applications. Number 7. The Proximus training and documentation is to make sure that you get full control and knowledge on your own environment. Number 8. Operational and support services are provided to minimize the impact on the customer business environment, for example, when you have to make an upgrade, and to eliminate recurring incidents. Number 9. Ecosystem of partners and accelerators who can provide expert applications as AI modeling and augmented reality. Now, we want to show you several customer use cases we have done with our customers. The first one is Euronav. Euronav is a transportation company that delivers services in the oil industry. Their challenges. The first was to reduce the fuel costs. The second was to reduce all the damages they can have on the vessels. And the third one was to have the possibility to collaborate efficiently with a good connectivity between the ship and the shore. So what we have done? We have done like we presented just before about the platform as a service. We unlocked all the data from the ship to send it to the cloud. This way, the customer could benefit from all this data and have a focus on the different business scenarios. A few of them, you have the predictive maintenance they could do on the equipment of the ship. A second one is to improve the operational efficiencies. And finally, they could communicate efficiently with the shore to keep their ship running smoothly. Our second case is about tank monitoring. This is for the fuel distributors. Their challenges is to make sure that all customers can have sufficient fuel in their tanks. They want also to reduce the number of kilometers to deliver this fuel. They want also to avoid to have huge demands when there's a cold weather. This way, the solution that we provide is a sensor that is plugged into the tank, transmitting the different levels of the tanks. For the customers, he can monitor all these tank levels remotely. This has significant results. They can have a better management on their supply and demand. They can also do a better planning of delivery. This is a real win-win situation for the customer and the distributor. Our third use case is with BASF. BASF has a challenge is about contact tracing. When they do turnaround, they have thousands of subcontractors coming on the working site and being in contact with the employees. What is about the solution? You have a smart badge around the neck. When you come in contact with other workers and you are too much exposed, this will start making noise. This will force you to respect the social distancing with other workers. On the other hand, because all the data are transmitted to the cloud, BASF will be able to look for all the clusters and identify eventually the person that was contaminated and who were basically exposed to him. This is our fourth use case with BASF again. You know, in the industry, in the chemical industry, you have 100 kilometers of pipes. Corrosion has major impact on the cost. Here the solution is really to prevent corrosion under insulation. So what do? We just place a sensor inside the insulation to measure the humidity, and we can monitor continuously the level of possible corrosion that could occur. This way, the customer can reduce inspection costs. In case of corrosion, the impact can be huge because you have to replace a part of the installation. Regarding safety, if there is an explosion, it's by millions. So this is really a huge improvement. So why Proximus? Proximus holds valuable expertise to deliver end-to-end IoT solutions. We are able to design, install, connect, secure, expose the results and integrate solutions. In this summer, we reached the milestone of 2 million of IoT devices connected. We developed turnkey solutions, but also custom solutions. We also developed an ecosystem of more than 200 solutions and technology providers. Our internal experts in ICT combined with our partnership with market leaders in ICT, without forgetting our historical capabilities in network operations, allows to propose global solutions in a one-stop shop. Working with Proximus, this is counting on a strong partner able to engage technical and human resources to deliver any scale of project. This concludes our presentation on Industry 4.0. Thank you very much for your attention.
Proximus. Think possible.